In the previous parts, we set up our Unreal Engine project, created the main map, controller, and pawn, and built the full movement system using enhanced input. So far, we have smooth WASD camera movement working inside our RTS template. Now, let's continue by adding camera zoom functionality. Start by opening the content drawer, then go to the input folder, and inside the actions folder, right-click and select input action. Name this one zoom action. Open it, set the value type to axis 1D, float, and save. Next, open your input mapping context asset. Add a new mapping for zoom action and assign the mouse wheel axis as the input key. That's all we need for the input setup. We'll handle the blueprint logic for camera zoom in the next step. Go to your BP RTS player blueprint and find an empty space in the event graph, right-click and search for zoom action. Select the enhanced input event for it. Next, drag the spring arm component from the left panel into your graph. This gives us a direct reference to control camera distance. From the spring arm reference, drag out twice. The first time, search for get target arm length. This lets us read the current camera distance. The second time, search for set target arm length. This is how we actually update the zoom level. From the zoom action node, drag out the action value pin and add a multiply node. This will scale the zoom speed. I use a value of 50, but you can tweak this for faster or slower zoom. Take the output of get target arm length and add it to the multiplied value using an add node. Then connect the result to set target arm length, so we apply the zoom change. Finally, connect the triggered execution pin from the zoom action node directly to set target arm length. That's it for the setup. Go to your main map, hit play, and use your mouse wheel. You'll see the camera zooming in and out smoothly, fully controlled by the enhanced input system. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your feedback. It means a lot and helps me keep making tutorials like this. In the next part, we'll set up full camera rotation for the RTS camera. See you there.